What's up, Flummies? Welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. My name is Breann, and today I'm going to be showing you the reverse elevator slide, which looks just like this. Yeah. I'll go ahead and show you one more time. So the part that we are focusing on is that reverse flick. Go ahead and check out our elevator tutorial if you haven't. That is going to be the prerequisite for this trick. And then we're going to be working on the reverse slide of it. So to get into that reverse slide, you're going to want to go into your elevator, which is why it's the prerequisite. So once your Flowstar comes down the elevator into your hand, you're going to grab it with the grip, fingertip to palm, just like this, and that's going to be your starting position for this reverse elevator slide. So go ahead and rev your Flowstar up with a reverse vertical figure 8, giving it a lot of momentum and speed, and you're going to give it a nice big flick going upwards. So you might be wondering, how do I get my flick to go upwards like that? So I'm going to show you that and break down those motions. So I'm doing my reverse vertical figure 8 in my hand. You're just drawing those 8s going towards your body. So for the flick, you really want to focus on this muscle right here, your thumb muscle and whatever this muscle is in your wrist. Any kinesiology students, I'd love your help. And you're gonna pop the Flowstar up, kind of like a drop spin. So if you haven't checked out that tutorial, go ahead and look at that as well. Pop it up like that. And you're gonna wanna kind of angle your body into the Flowstar to create that illusion, like that. Another key component in getting that slide to go upwards is having something to spot, which is where your second arm comes in handy. So you're gonna start with your vertical figure 8 and that flick up. But if you notice, it's just going up because I did not give the star a direction to go. That's where you're gonna come into hand and you're gonna manipulate the star to go towards this hand with the force that you're giving in your flick, like that. It's not always gonna go, not always gonna catch it, but that is basically the focus of the trick, is finding that spot, that point to spot, and guiding your Flowstar there with its momentum. And that is gonna be your reverse elevator slide, just like this. Thanks for watching this YouTube tutorial and being a part of our Flowstar family. Let us know what other tricks you'd like to see. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, happy flowing.